Hi everybody, my name is Vanessa Gardner and I'm an academic advisor for the College of Arts and Sciences. I'm here to talk to you about the How to College workshop series. We started How to College in fall of 2022 as a way to engage students to discuss topics that they might have questions about or be concerned about. These sessions are very casual in nature and they are dialogue driven, meaning we value your questions and your opinions. In the past, we've covered topics such as professional communication, tech support, including a spotlight on Excel, and even the unique experience of being a transfer student. Currently, our sessions run all semester long. We offer Zoom and in person. We like to invite faculty to join us, and we include gaming elements whenever possible. If you attend a How to College session, you'll be invited to do an evaluation afterwards that can earn you a Learning Beyond the Classroom credit. So we really hope to see you at one of our sessions in the future.